So this is T-Mini 2.0 or 3.0 or whatever you want to call it. One of the new lithiums going in. Thank you FX Audio, Ray especially. We spent some time on this one. And look at this. So she rests between 13.2 to 13.4. Four runs hot, 4 runs ground through the car to the trunk. A run of each going to the alternator on top of the factory. Through isolated 150 amp breakers, one for each run. And there'll be 4 more in the trunk for the other bank. So 8 150 amp breakers. Well, we had them before, but just a little upgrade on the battery and the tray. Thank you, FX Audio and B2 for the bank of lithiums.